From the vast savannas of Africa to the concrete jungles of our modern world, the story of life is a testament to adaptation. Over eons, organisms have evolved intricate mechanisms to navigate challenges and ensure their survival. Among these, the stress response stands out as a fundamental biological process, deeply woven into the fabric of our being. Imagine our early ancestors facing down a saber-toothed tiger on the hunt. Their hearts would race, muscles would tense, and senses would sharpen. This fight-or-flight response was essential for evading predators, securing food, and ultimately, surviving in a world teeming with threats. While the saber-toothed tigers may be long gone, the stressors of modern life, from looming deadlines to social pressures, trigger the same primal response. The stress response, however, is a double-edged sword. Understanding how stress operates is crucial for navigating the complexities of modern life and ensuring our well-being. Deep within the temporal lobes of the brain lies the amygdala, a key player in the intricate symphony of the stress response. This ancient structure serves as our brain's alarm system, constantly scanning our environment for signs of potential danger. The amygdala doesn't ponder or deliberate, it reacts. Fueled by raw sensory input, a sudden loud noise, a looming shadow, the scent of smoke, the amygdala processes information with remarkable speed. When a potential threat is detected, the amygdala springs into action, triggering a cascade of neural and hormonal signals that prepare the body for action. This ancient structure acts as the conductor of the stress response, orchestrating the complex physiological changes that allow us to confront or flee from danger. It's a testament to the power of evolution, a reminder that survival often hinges on our ability to react quickly and decisively. When the amygdala identifies a threat, it sets off a chain reaction known as the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal (HPA) axis. This intricate pathway is responsible for orchestrating the physiological changes that characterize the stress response. The hypothalamus releases corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH, which travels to the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland releases adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, into the bloodstream. This hormone travels to the adrenal glands, triggering the release of cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Cortisol floods the bloodstream, preparing the body for action. Simultaneously, adrenaline is released, further amplifying the body's readiness. Heart rate and blood pressure soar, breathing becomes rapid, and blood flow is redirected to the muscles, priming us for fight or flight. While the amygdala acts as the impulsive first responder, the prefrontal cortex, or PFC, steps in to provide a more measured response. Located just behind the forehead, the PFC is responsible for planning, decision-making, working memory, and impulse control. However, under duress, the PFC's ability to function optimally can be compromised. The surge of stress hormones, particularly cortisol, can disrupt the delicate balance of neural activity in this region, leading to cognitive narrowing. This narrowing effect can manifest as difficulty concentrating, making decisions, or remembering information. The ability to make sound judgments and choose the most adaptive course of action is crucial for navigating stressful situations effectively. However, under intense stress, the PFC's ability to perform these functions can be significantly impaired. Imagine a tightrope walker attempting to maintain balance amidst a hurricane. The intricate dance of the stress response involves not only hormones but also neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that facilitate communication between neurons. Among the key players are norepinephrine, GABA, and serotonin, each contributing to the complex tapestry of the stress response. Norepinephrine, often referred to as the fight-or-flight neurotransmitter, heightens alertness, increases arousal, and focuses attention. GABA, on the other hand, acts as the brain's calming agent, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Serotonin, involved in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite, also plays a role in modulating the stress response. Low levels of serotonin have been linked to increased anxiety and vulnerability to stress. The interplay of these neurotransmitters determines the intensity and duration of the stress response. They influence how we perceive and react to challenging situations. The stress response is designed to be a short-term survival mechanism, a burst of energy to help us overcome immediate threats. However, in our modern world, stressors often persist, becoming chronic fixtures in our lives. The relentless demands of work, Financial pressures and relationship issues can keep the stress response chronically activated. This chronic activation takes a toll on our bodies and minds, increasing the risk of a wide range of physical and mental health problems. Prolonged exposure to cortisol can disrupt almost every system in the body, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and weakened immunity. Chronic stress also has profound effects on the brain, impairing cognitive function, increasing anxiety and depression, and even accelerating cellular aging. It can disrupt the delicate balance of neurotransmitters, leading to mood swings, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. While the physiological and psychological effects of stress are universal, our individual responses to stressful events can vary greatly. Some individuals seem to weather life's storms with relative ease, bouncing back from adversity with remarkable resilience, while others struggle to cope. This variability in stress response is influenced by a complex interplay of genetic predispositions, early life experiences, personality traits, and coping mechanisms. Resilience, the ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity, is not an innate trait but rather a skill that can be cultivated through conscious effort and practice. Building resilience involves developing a toolbox of coping mechanisms, such as mindfulness techniques, exercise, social support, and seeking professional help when needed. Understanding our individual stress response patterns is essential for managing stress effectively. By identifying our unique triggers and developing personalized coping strategies, we can navigate the challenges of life with greater resilience and well-being. Like and subscribe for more. Visit us at covertstreetwarrior.com. Remember to always stand ready.